I'm happy to announce we have our own version of the Lily58 Pro. We call it the Lily58 Pro keyboard kit. You'll notice we have the ability to have either a switch or rotary encoder in this location, so it'll support up to 2 encoders, one on each half of the keyboard. And these are adjustable. They're both push button and turnable. As well as we have RGB lighting under each key, so it has full RGB lighting support. And they're all hot swappable switches. Another feature that we have is these keyboards support wireless. You'll notice here on the top is an on-off switch as well as a battery connector. This is a standard JST PH 2mm battery terminal connector, and so you can power each half. Now understand, with the lighting, you're not going to get very good battery life at all because these lights drain the battery very quickly, but you have the option to go wireless if you choose to do so. You also have an OLED connection. This fits a standard 0.91 inch OLED display on each half, as you can see here. Since these are Choc V1, these are very low profile keyboards. Now these cases are purpose built as well and custom. You'll notice there's no screw holes through the bottom, so these are actually going into heat inserts. This gives you a nice clean look on the bottom of each keyboard. And I love the texture because it makes things like your rubber feet and other things that you want to stick to the bottom solid and keeps it from moving as you're typing. These, just like the rest of our keyboards, are all Choc V1 compatible. You can get yours at turkeyboards.com, or if you want to build your own, you can visit our GitHub, which is github/turkeyboards. You'll find us on there easily. There's links to everything down below. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.